Hello kids, in this video you will learn about interjection. Do you know what is interjection? Okay, let me tell you. Oh, aha, oh no, yay, ouch, yup, shh, oh. Hi, that's an interjection. Interjection is a big name for a little word. Interjections are short exclamation like oh, ah. They have no real grammatical value, but we use them quite often, usually more in speaking than in writing. When interjections are inserted into a sentence, they have no grammatical connection to the sentence, means they have no grammatical value, but we use when while in speaking or in writing because they use to show the sudden expression or interjection. We can say that it is a part of speech that express emotions, which shows emotions, like when we get hurt suddenly we say ouch, right? So interjections are frequently followed by an exclamation mark, which itself is used to express emotion. So interjection is a word which shows sudden feeling, emotions, and it is always followed by an exclamation mark because which itself is used to express emotion. For example, now I am giving some example of interjection. Hey, don't be so lazy. Well, let's think about it. Ouch, that hurts. There are some interjection words which we use to show our feelings, expressions, emotions. We just use them. And what is the uses of this? Now let me tell you the uses of this interjection. First is ah. Ah is used to show expressing pleasure. Ah, that feels good. Expressing realization. Like ah, now I understand. Expressing surprise. Ah, I have won. Now, another interjection word is alas. Alas is used to express grief or pity, dukh. Alas, she is dead now. Now, next is dear. Dear is used to express pity. Oh dear, does it hurt? Or we use dear to express surprise. Dear me, that's a surprise. Or we can use dear to greet someone when somebody is beloved by us. Then we use dear. So, ah, alas, dear. And next is hello. Hello is used to express greeting. Hello, how are you? Expressing surprise. Hello, my car's gone. Hey, calling attention like, hey, look at that. Or expressing surprises. Hey, what a good idea. Okay? And hi is also used to express greeting. Hi, what's new? Now, next is expressing hesitation or doubt or disagreement. I'm not sure. Oh, expressing surprise, pain, or pleading. Like, oh, you are here? Or expressing pain. Oh, I have got a toothache. Ah. Now, next is okay. Okay is used to express agreement. Okay, I'll tell her. Ouch, expressing pain. When you suddenly get hurt, like you say, no, ouch, that's hurt. So, ouch is used to express pain. These are some interjection which we use to express our feeling, emotions. Now, next is well, expressing surprise or introducing a remark. Well, I never. Well, what did he say? Next is wow, expressing amazement when you got surprised with something or somebody else. Like, wow, what a cool car you have got. Wow, what a painting. Now I'm telling some more interjections with its meaning. Alas is used for sorrow or grief. What is used for surprise or shocked? Hello or hi when you greet someone. Hooray is used for joy. Oh is used for surprise or sadness. Wow, it's used for pleasure or wonder. Yippee, when that is used for delight. Bravo is used for appreciation when you appreciate someone. Oops, drawing attention to a mistake. Shh, to make somebody's quiet. Now complete your chapter in grammar book. Thanks. Bye bye.